Stop scrolling. Seriously, don't buy any laptop until you hear this. Intel just ended the old i5, i7, and i9 era. The names you grew up with are gone. Now everything is called Core Ultra. And the internet is confused. People are asking, bro, what even is Ultra 5? Is Ultra 7 better than my old i7? Why is Ultra 9 more expensive than my kidney? Don't worry, I'll break everything down clearly and quickly, with zero tech confusion. Why did Intel change the names? Let's be honest, we all have that moment. You're doing something simple on your laptop, 10 Chrome tabs open, YouTube playing, Spotify running, a PDF open, and your laptop suddenly sounds like it's about to take off like an airplane. That's when Intel realized, yeah, maybe it's time for a new CPU design. Laptops evolved, but the old i-series didn't. You're doing AI work, video editing, calls, background tasks, battery management, and your laptop is screaming for help. So Intel rebuilt the processor from scratch and named it Core Ultra. Not for marketing, but because the old architecture simply couldn't survive the next 5 years of AI and heavy apps. Now Intel didn't just upgrade one thing, they built an entire team inside your laptop. 3 different worker types. First, P-cores. These are the sprinters, the gym guys of the CPU. Give them anything heavy like video editing, gaming, rendering, or AI effects, and they destroy the task instantly. Next, E-cores. These are the balanced workers. Calm, efficient, no drama. They handle Chrome, streaming, background apps, and multitasking. You know that one friend who never gets tired? Yeah, that's the E-core. Then we have LPE cores, the silent night shift crew. They manage the small behind-the-scenes stuff like notifications, Bluetooth, sync, and system tasks. They're the backstage team that keeps the show running. Let's make this simple with a real example. You're editing a video. Chrome has 15 tabs open. You forgot Spotify was running. Windows Update suddenly wakes up like, hey bestie, just checking in. Here's what happens. P-cores handle your editing. E-cores manage Chrome and the apps. LPE cores run the background tasks. Everything stays smooth. No lag, no drama, no fan tornado. This is why Core Ultra feels faster. The workload is finally divided the right way. Now the biggest upgrade, the NPU, the Neural Processing Unit. This is the AI nerd who joined the team. It doesn't care about Chrome or your timeline. It's here only for AI jobs. It handles background blur, noise removal, face tracking, auto captions, AI editing, AI upscaling, and all the new Windows AI features. Your old CPU used to do all of this alone, like a tired dad fixing everything in the house. Now the NPU steps in like, relax, I got the AI stuff. Tell me in the comments what your laptop struggles with the most. Is it gaming, Chrome tabs, or the classic Windows Update jump scare? I read every comment and roast the funniest ones in the next video. A quick example, you're on a Zoom call with background blur on, noise cancellation on, face tracking on, and 27 Chrome tabs open because of course, old i7 equals laptop meltdown. Core Ultra equals calm, smooth, and quiet because the NPU carries the AI load. Another example, you apply AI noise reduction while editing. Your old laptop says, bro, I can't do this anymore. Core Ultra's NPU says, say no more. Fast, cool, quiet, and lag-free. Now let's decode Ultra 5, Ultra 7, and Ultra 9 in a simple human way. Ultra 5, the responsible budget king, perfect for students and office users. Great battery life, smooth performance, light editing, light gaming. Ultra 5 equals the guy who knows he's not fancy, but always delivers. Ultra 7, the balanced powerhouse. More P-cores, better graphics, faster AI, stronger rendering. If you're editing, multitasking, or gaming, this is your sweet spot. Ultra 7 is the popular kid who's good at everything. Ultra 9, the monster. This is overkill in a beautiful way. For 4K and 8K editing, 3D work, heavy AI loads, pro-level tasks. Ultra 9 doesn't compete with laptops, it competes with desktops. Now let's talk real-world performance. In video editing, Ultra 5 handles 1080p smoothly. Ultra 7 handles 4K smoothly. Ultra 9 handles 4K multicam and even 8K. In gaming, Ultra 5 does 1080p medium. Ultra 7 does 1080p high. Ultra 9 does 1440p high. In everyday use, Ultra 5 is silent with long battery. Ultra 7 is fast. Ultra 9 is insanely fast. Let's cover the pros and cons honestly. Pros: better battery life, cooler temperatures, faster AI, better multitasking, Better architecture. Cons. Early models can be pricey. Performance depends heavily on cooling, and the naming is still confusing for beginners. Here's the final recommendation. Ultra 5 for students, office users, and casual creators. Ultra 7 for creators, gamers, and multitaskers. Ultra 9 for professionals only. Ultra 5 equals smart. Ultra 7 equals power plus balance. Ultra 9 equals beast. And remember this, cooling matters more than the CPU. A hot laptop is a slow laptop. Alright, drop your use case in the comments. Gaming, editing, college, or work. I'll recommend the best Core Ultra laptop for your needs. And if you want a full Core Ultra buying guide, hit like so I know you want part 2. Also check out my previous video, every Intel CPU generation explained in 5 minutes. It'll make you feel like a tech genius.